12 men can complete a piece of work in 4 days,
4 days.
while 15 women can complete the same task in
4 days.
4 days. Okay, so what does it mean? See, 15 women alva idu 15 women, same days is same, but number of men and women is different. And then 6 men start working on the job, and after 2 days they only worked for 2 days. 6 men out of 12 men, right? They worked for 2 days, all of them stopped working. How many women should be put on the job to complete the remaining work if it is to be completed in 3 days? Next I want to complete the remaining work in 3 days, to be completed in 3 days. But ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ 12 men ಅಲ್ಲಿ 6 already what they did, they worked for 2 days, but remaining 6 are continuing, right? But now they are saying how many women should be put. 6 men idare, how many women should be put in order to complete the task within 3 days? So this is the given question, right? So please understand, one man's one day work ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 12 men are able to do a task in 4 days ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. These many people can complete the task in 4 days. So what does it mean? 12 men, if you take it as a group, 12 members, 4 days. This is the least number of days which they will complete the work. So now ಈಗ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟು 4 days ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಒನ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ನಾವು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒನ್ ಡೇ ವರ್ಕ್. ಈಗ 12 ಜನದ ಬದಲು ಒಬ್ಬರೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾನೆ?
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ 1 divided by 48 ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ, instead of 12 men, see 12 men are taking, now what will I do? 1 men into 12, they are taking 4 days, right? But one man's one day work ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ, one man's one day's work, what will I do now? This 12 into 4, okay? 12 4s ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು?
48.
8. ಸೊ ಬಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಅದೇ ಕೆಲಸ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 12 ದಿವಸ ಒಬ್ಬನೇ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡೇಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಂಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
1/48.
ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಸೊ 48 hours ತಗೊಂಡಂಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು 4 days ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಟಾಕ್ ಇನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಡೇಸ್. ಇಫ್ 12 persons are taking, one person ಎಂದು ನಾನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು. one person we don't know, let it be x, okay? But 12 persons are taking 4 days. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ನಾನು ಈ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಪ್ರಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ. ಸೊ 1 person, 1:12, ಇದು ಪರ್ಸನ್ಸ್, ಇದು ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಡೇಸ್, ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಇಷ್ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಇದರರ್ಥ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 48. ಸೊ ಒಬ್ಬ ಮನುಷ್ಯನಿಗೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 48 ಡೇಸ್ ಬೇಕು. ಹಂಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಒಂದು ದಿವಸದ ವರ್ಕ್ ಎಷ್ಟು? 1/48. Okay. Now after this, what is the next step? Women ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಈ 15 women are able to complete the task in 4 days. ಹಂಗಿದ್ರೆ one woman ಎಷ್ಟು ಡೇಸ್ ಬೇಕು? See, 15 women 4 days, one woman ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? So that is x is equal to 15 into 4. Total women ಗೆ 60 days ಬೇಕು to complete the task, one woman ಗೆ. ಹಂಗಿದ್ರೆ one woman's one day's work, one day's work will be equal to 1 divided by 15 into 4. So that is equal to 1/60. is equal to 3 ಇದ್ರೆ per day ನ ಅದನ್ನ 1/3 ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. 60 hours if they are working to complete the 3/4 of the work, and 1/3, this is every day ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ನನಗೆ n is equal to 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? 1/n, that is 1/3, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಸೊ ಈಗ 3 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 4 1s 4, 15s. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ 15 women has to work in order to complete the task. ಈಗ 6 months ವರ್ಕ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ? 6 months ವರ್ಕ್ ಪರ್ ಡೇ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಪರ್ ಡೇ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಬರೀ ಇಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕು. ಫಾರ್ 2 days ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕು, ಹೌದ್ರಿ? ಬಟ್ ನನಗೆ 3 days ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಮುಗಿಸಕ್ಕೆ ನನಗೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಪರ್ ಡೇ ನಾನು ಎಷ್ಟು women ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು 3 days ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ? 15 women have to work along with 6 men. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ನು 6 men ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ. ಸೊ 15 women are required to finish the task. Is this clear all of you? See, this is remaining work. One woman's work is to 60. ಆಮೇಲೆ 3/4 of the work is left out. Okay, and what is 1/3 here? I have to finish it in 3 days. So per day, how many hours they have to work and how many women have to work? So this is 15 women have to work in order to complete the task. This is how you need to solve the problem. 12 children take 16 days. 12 children take 16 days to complete a work which can be completed by 8 adults. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 12 children ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದು 16 days ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, whereas 8 adults will finish the same task in 12 days. Okay, now they are saying 16 adults have started the work. Adults started working, and after 3 days 10 adults left. Note, after 3 days 16 ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, after 3 days 10 adults left. 10 adults left and 4 children joined them. 10 adults ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋದ್ಮೇಲೆ 6 adults plus 4 children join ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. 4 children. How many days will they take to complete the remaining task? So ಈಗ try to understand. ಈಗ ನಾವು 12 into 16 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ, 12 children 16 days ತಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಮಗು ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ? ಒನ್ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ಸ್ 1 day's work ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ, ಸೇಮ್ ವೇ one child's 1 day's work is like 1 divided by 12 into 16. So that is going to be 1 divided by 16 to 32, 16 1 192 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. one child's 1 day's work ಇದು. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ 1 adult's 1 day's work ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 divided by 8 into 12. So 12 8s are 96. So work done in 3 days. ನೋಡ್ರಿ 16 adults 3 days work ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? So now work done in 3 days. Work done in 3 days is equal to, see, 1 day 1 adult's work is 1 by 96. How many adults are there? 16 adults worked for how many days? 3 days. This is how I need to do. So 3 1s are 3, 32s are 1s are 2s are. So half work is already done. Work done. So remaining work is how much? Remaining 1 by 2. Remaining work is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2. So that gives me 1 by 2. But now what happened? 6 adults and 4 children have joined. I know what is the work of each adult and what is the work of each child. So now I need to find out 6 adults plus 4 children. Your 4 children's ಇವ್ರಗಳದ್ದು 1 day's work ನೀವು ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ. 1 day's work. So 6 adults ಅಂದ್ರೆ 6 into what is each adult's work? 1 by 96 plus 4 children ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4 into 1 by 192. Now solve this. 6 1s are 6 16s are. Okay. This is 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16, 4 8s are. Find out the LCM. 1 by 16 plus 1 by 48. 48 LCM ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? 3s are 1s are. So it is 4 by 48. So is it 1 by 12? See, 6 children and 6 adults and 4 children's 1 day's work is 1 by 12. So how long will they take to complete the task then? They take 12 days to complete the task. So this is going to be the answer. 12 days ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ. Yes, please note down the solution. ಇದೇ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಕಲಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ದೆಮ್. ಸಿ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಈಗ 12 ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ 16 ಡೇಸ್ ತಗೋತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಮಗು ಎಷ್ಟು ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ? ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ 12 into 16. Then one adult, how much time do they take to complete the task? Then whatever they are giving, like say 10 adults first they worked and they left, then 6 adults 4 children have joined ಅಂದ್ರೆ each adult task ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ one day ಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ. So 6 adults means 6 into adults 1 day's work plus 4 into children's 1 day's work. So that is equal to, you have to find the LCM and you will find the total 1 day's work of the 6 adults and 4 children. Now we know that if they are able to perform 1 by n, then how many days do they take? N number of days. So n number of days andre idu 12 days they are going to take.